Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium fish. First, let's get our fish ready. It's crucial to clean and thoroughly pat your fish dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve a beautiful sear. Next, season both sides generously with salt, pepper, and any herbs you love, like dill or parsley. Allowing the fish to sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes before cooking ensures more even results. Now, let's talk about cooking. For pan frying, heat a tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat. Cook a 1-inch thick fillet for about 3 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown. If baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Grilling provides a wonderful smoky taste. Cook for 4 to 6 minutes per side over medium heat. Knowing when your fish is done is key. The easiest way to tell is when it flakes easily with a fork in its thickest part. For precision, an instant-read thermometer should show an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, transfer your fish to a plate. Serve it immediately with a squeeze of lemon and your chosen accompaniments for a delightful meal. Here are a few pro tips for consistently perfect fish. Avoid overcrowding your pan. Cook in batches if necessary to maintain heat and achieve a proper sear. Always use an oil with a high smoke point, such as avocado or grapeseed oil, to prevent burning. Finally, let your cooked fish rest for 2 to 3 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more tender and flavorful experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.